Back in the 1950s, before anyone had ever seen a satellite, the idea was pure science fiction. Then came 1957, Sputnik. A beeping metal ball, we were told, had been launched into orbit and was now circling the globe every 96 minutes. The space age was born, or so the story goes. Since then, we've been told there are over 5,000 active satellites and tens of thousands of dead ones orbiting above us. TV satellites, weather satellites, GPS satellites, spy satellites. Each one, we're told, is moving thousands of miles per hour, somehow staying perfectly in position over a spinning Earth, never colliding, never falling. But here's the problem. If satellites are really in space, why don't we ever see them? Not with telescopes, not with zoom lenses, not with the naked eye. You can supposedly see the International Space Station 250 miles up, but not the thousands of other satellites. And what about communication? They claim satellites beam TV and internet straight to your dish. But anyone in broadcasting knows those dishes are aimed sideways toward ground-based relay towers, not straight up into space. Even satellite phones rely on local ground stations. Why? Because transmitting high-frequency data from 22,000 miles away through radiation belts, storms and clouds is not just difficult. It's practically impossible without massive power and zero interference. Then there's the maintenance problem. Satellites are supposedly in orbits full of, space junk. Bolts, debris, rocket fragments, all traveling at 17,000 miles per hour. One collision would be catastrophic. Yet they claim satellites can operate flawlessly for decades without repairs, without fuel refills, and without dodging debris. Does that sound believable? Weather data, we're told it comes from satellites taking pictures of the Earth from space. But the first blue marble photo wasn't even taken until 1972, and it's admitted to be a composite. These days, weather images are actually generated from high-altitude balloon data and airplane scans, all stitched together on a computer. And speaking of balloons, NASA, Google, and multiple space agencies openly admit to using giant helium balloons to carry satellites to near-space altitudes. They even have a name for it, satelloons. These balloons float around 120,000 feet, well within Earth's atmosphere. If space satellites were real and so much better, why use balloons at all? Unless that's what satellites really are. On a flat, stationary Earth, ground towers and high-altitude balloons can cover everything. No orbit, no vacuum, no impossible speeds. The globe model needs thousands of invisible, untouchable satellites to make its story work. The flat Earth model, it only needs simple, observable technology that's been here all along. So the next time someone says the satellite sent it, ask them, was it really in space or just floating above you on a balloon? This is for entertainment purposes.